And yeah, Bmax connector. Bmax connector, it's really handy tool. We just select all our meshes. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about one thing. There is still one more thing to do. We want to make simple collision. We don't need to use this mesh, exactly this mesh as a collision. It will be better to just simplify this. By simplify, I mean, we can do it like this, because, you know, making collision is nothing really, it's like rocket science. I can show you how I'm doing on, let's say, one object. It can be on this one, but we still probably gonna use like the mesh collision for chair. So we will do this, and this one will just use own mesh, the collision. Thank you, Jess. Okay, so let's name this as a, let's name it as a really loft style table call. Let's align it. Let's align it. Let's put it in the corner. Let's align it. Why it's not aligning? Thank you very much. Bank. Small portion done. Let's go here. Let's change bounding box so it's easier to select. Yeah. I'm gonna make basic collision. Can turn off face orientation. We're not gonna bother with this. It's really not that important to cover all the small edges, stuff like this. Let me double check both sides. Yes, it's fine. Here. Here. I feel like this part don't even need collision. Probably nobody gonna shoot on this element. So we're just gonna put legs. Let's rotate it, put it here. Let's switch back to active element, where I can just scale. Now we can clearly see where I did mistake with this object. So we're gonna do it other way. Rotate. Let's try different option. Select this part. Let's duplicate, copy, hide this one. Let's remove texture. Focus on this part only. And let's just merge these elements. Edge loop to get rid of them. As we see, even sliding is working, so and better. Edge loop, edge loop. Grab this, slide. Grab this, slide. Remove doubles, select, select, edge loop. Grab this, slide. Grab this, slide. Remove doubles, select, select, edge loop. And let's just close these faces, just in case. Do you need to do VPaint as well? Depends. It really depends. But if we will like to use this in the MLO, we need to put at least green, like a darker green. We can always use white VPaint. It will work. But it's not perfect. Okay, so this is our basic collision. As you see, this object have around will be like half K, while this one is exactly this. Not huge difference, but difference. Snap cursor to selection, so it's exactly where table is. Now snap origin to cursor, so this collision and this one is in the same place. cursor to selection. We're gonna duplicate this model. Gonna snap selection to cursor. We're gonna scale it down. The only thing here will be probably slide it a little bit down and align it. True. Yes, because we rotated it before. Yes, good point. So instead of table, it will be called bench all. Now to make our life easier, what do we need? I also gonna duplicate this one. Let's call it collision. We will disable bevel modifier from this. What else we can do? I think we will use only wood on this one. So remove wood call. And another thing will be use decimate modifier. We can enable wireframe and you will guys be able to see what's going on. As you see, it still covers pretty well our model, so we can use it as a collision. So we have chair with this, we have table with this. We still need to add proper collision here and there. So this one will use wood. And we need another one, and this will be called metal. Hide this, select everything else and assign. We can do exactly same, so let's just add some colors. Go here, viewport. And same story on this one. New, wood. Grab this one, hide this one, select everything else, add a new one, select metal, sign, done. This is our collision. Let's go to bench, chair and table.